In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username of Fiverr. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to your search engine. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. From the results, click the official Fiverr website to open it. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before moving on, since username changes apply to the account you're currently using. Once you're on Fiverr, look up to the top right corner of the page. Click your profile avatar or your profile picture to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, the one other users and clients see, so it's the right place to adjust your visible details. On your profile page, look for a small pencil or edit icon positioned next to your current username. That icon is the shortcut to editing this field. Click it to activate the username editor. If you don't immediately see the icon, give the page a moment to load or try refreshing. Site layouts can vary slightly depending on updates, but the edit control is generally near the username at the top of your profile. With the editor open, carefully type your new username. Keep it simple, brand-friendly, and easy to remember. Usernames often have to be unique and may allow only letters, numbers, underscores, and no spaces. If your first choice is taken, try a variation that still reflects your brand or niche. It's a good idea to avoid special characters or anything hard to pronounce, and to choose something you'll be comfortable using long-term. After you've entered your new username, Fiverr will save the change automatically. Look for a small confirmation or checkmark indicator on the page. If nothing appears, wait a moment and then refresh your profile to confirm that the new username has been applied. If the name isn't available or doesn't meet Fiverr's guidelines, you'll usually see an on-screen message prompting you to try another option. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Policies and interfaces can change, so if you don't see the edit option, check Fiverr's Help Center for the most current guidance. Consider how a new username might affect recognition with existing clients. Consistency is helpful for building trust. And finally, avoid sharing any private details in your username. Keep it professional and secure. That's it. You've navigated to Fiverr, opened your profile, clicked the edit icon, entered your new username, and let the platform save it automatically. Pause the video and follow along step by step, and you'll be done in just a minute or two. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your updated profile.